Hi, we're at Heartland Forest Learning Center in Niagara Falls, Ontario, Canada. We're almost at the end of our second week of hand tool workshops, our Purple Heart project. So we're on a talent search. Actually, we're looking to see what kind of skills these guys have picked up. So I asked for volunteers. Tell me the single biggest, most important skill that you've found. So we're going to go down here. I'm going to introduce you to David. David was in both the Army and the Navy. But right now, he's into wood.
Yes.
So David, I asked you, what skill did you find that's been most beneficial to you? You said sharpening. Tell the folks a little bit about that.
Well, I've used not a lot of hand tools before, but I've used a lot of dull tools. And now with having them sharp, they actually do the job they're supposed to instead of just kind of grinding away at stuff.
So dull chisel, sharp chisel, what's the single biggest difference?
The dull chisel seems like it just kind of rips through the wood, tears it real bad, whereas the sharp chisel actually cuts through it like it's supposed to, which I didn't know it was supposed to be like that until I got here.
So most people, believe it or not, don't realize what you've just discovered. And I've always tried to tell guys, I said, the biggest advantage of a really sharp tool is it requires very little effort to make it work. Yep. And the less effort you have to apply, the more control you have over the tool. It's a huge factor.
Yes.
So what's your recommendation? How are these guys going to pick this skill up?
Just repetition, when you feel like your plane's getting a little bit dull or your chisel's getting a little bit dull, just take it over there and don't look at it as you're sharpening your chisel, doing your next thing. Look at it as you're practicing to your sharpening skills, and then that's going to show in your work later on.
How important is the equipment?
Very important.
Better the equipment, easier and quicker it is to pick up the skill?
Yes.
I believe that too.
Definitely.
All right. Thank you, brother. Appreciate your service.
Thank you.